Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
This updated guide teaches precise word replace techniques in Excel step by step. Start by opening your workbook and selecting the worksheet to modify. Use Ctrl+F to search or Ctrl+H to open replace with options. Enter the exact word or phrase to find and the replacement text. Choose Match Case or match entire cell contents for stricter matches. Preview results with Find Next and use Replace or Replace All cautiously. To perform a basic replace, press Ctrl+H to display the Replace dialog quickly. Type the Find text in Find What and the new text in Replace with. Use Find Next to confirm each occurrence before replacing to avoid errors. Use Replace All only after confirming count and checking a sample of cells. Search within Sheet or Workbook and set look in Formulas, Values, or Comments. Undo with Ctrl+Z immediately if a replace produces unintended changes anywhere. Use wildcards like asterisk and in Find What for flexible pattern matching. Tick Match Case or match entire cell contents to refine replacements precisely. Replace formatting by clicking Options, then Format and setting desired font or fill. Limit replaces to a selected range by highlighting cells before opening Replace dialog. Automate complex replacements across sheets with a VBA macro and a simple loop. Always save a backup copy before mass replace to protect original data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.